Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share with you another rather large HSN haul. Some of it I got on clearance, some of it I got regular price, and yeah, let's get started. So this die here I got on clearance, and I really loved the flourishes in this circle die. And then it came with little flower dies and petals. But I thought it would be really pretty for cards and then stamp my sentiment on a paper on the inside. You can kind of see how the die stamps out. So I'm going to be giving this a try on a card soon and share that with you guys. And I bought 2 of these Happy Haunting 6x6 paper pads, and I'm just going to go through the paper pads quickly, or otherwise this is going to be a super long video. But it has, they even do the cover here that you could use these for cut aparts, but it has a couple pages of cut aparts and borders. Actually, I think 4 pages, and it's double-sided, so I love that. And then, let's see if I can, there's the back. You can cut those as well. So you have ghosts. Oh, sorry. Ghosts and these little pattern designs. And then pumpkins. And then pumpkins. This is purple and orange and black and orange. And then this green and black striped. Orange and black striped, orange with like stars, orange bats, spooky houses. This is going to be fun for my Halloween series. Then you have the green paper with sentiments, black paper with sentiments, all these little signs, keep out ghouls and ghosts. And some more of those, which will actually be cool. Like this you could actually cut apart and use that if you wanted. Then the black paper with a white spider web, but it's kind of raised. It looks really, really cool. And then purple. And then the bats. And then we're back to the beginning. So I got 2 of those. And I got a summer kit. So in the kit it has dies, and actually let's just open it up. I got this for my mom because she loves making summer albums. So it has dies on this side. I love the flamingo. And dies on this side. And it comes with, I don't know what this is, an embossing folder. Oh no, that's for stamping. This stamp set and this stamp set. And then it has all of the things you can make with it and what they look like stamped out. So I thought she might really like working with this. So I got her that kit. And then I picked up another one of the snowman gift card holders, which I thought was really cute. And this is by Crafter's Companion. I couldn't believe they still had these when I looked. And then I ordered some pearlescent card, majestic gold cardstock, and it says it's double-sided. And they're 8.5 by 11. You get 5 sheets in a pack, and they sent me 1, 2, 3. You get 4 packs with your order. And I'm just going to take one of the cards out so you guys can, hopefully that wasn't too loud, so you guys can see what the shimmer in it. It's really pretty. So I'm going to use this as like a backing to paper, so it has like a nice gold border. So I'll use that in projects coming up. And then of course I started my Jingle Jangle in July Christmas series, so I had to get some of these Christmas papers. This was an Echo Park kit. So you got this 6x6 mega paper pad with 48 double-sided papers. And I'm just showing you could see it's red with white snowflakes, the wood grain. Hopefully you can check out all the patterns this way so I don't have to page through them all, or the video will be super, super long. And then you got the kit here, which also has 12 by 12 double-sided papers. And then you get a sticker sheet. And then you get these sheets with cut-aparts. So I thought that was really cool, and it came in a kit. And this is the sticker sheet. Hopefully I'm in camera so you can see all the stickers. So I'm going to be using that. And then I got another kit, and this came, I used this paper actually yesterday in the hot cocoa treat box, and I said I would page through it for you guys. It came with these adorable picture frames, and I'll show you. These are really nice chipboard frames. So you got the ones with the car or the truck, and then ones with packages. And you can just peel off the back and stick them to your project, which I thought was really cool. So it came with those. And then you got this ribbon. Adhesive gems. Red, light green, gold, and a dark green. And then it has this die cut and ready to layer piece set. So all these pages are just, let me open it for you, are just cutouts, which I was really happy to get because the designer paper is just a designer paper. It didn't have any cutouts, so. And these are 8 by 8, and you get 24 sheets. So let's see what we got here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 sheets of the Christmas trucks, and there's gift tags. So that's pretty cool. And then 3 sheets of this. And you just pop them out. And just pop them out like that. And then 1, 2, 3 sheets of this. And 3 sheets of this. I totally have to stay off the computer. Because every time I see new stuff come in, I'm like, ooh, gotta check it out. And then I end up buying, and there goes my summer school pay. Honey, could you get the cat? He somehow managed to get up on top of the... Oh my gosh, my cat is too funny. One of them is Sherlock. He always loves to try to be in my videos and jump up all over me. Thank you. And then the Christmas trees and tags. And 3 sheets of this. These are actually really cute. I'm seeing these for the first time with you guys. This is going to be so fun. And you could use these for your mini albums and cards and tags. So I'm excited that it came with this. And then this is the paper pack. You get 36 single-sided sheets. So 3 of the fa la 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 paper. 3 of the red with snow. 3 of these. Let me see if I could do it this way. There's those punch buggies I was telling you about again that I mentioned yesterday with the punch buggy card game. And 3 of the red with a white stripe. Merry Christmas. This is pretty. I love that, the holly leaf. Or those are just twigs and berries, but yeah, holly, I guess. Red with a lighter red. Cute trucks in. Volkswagen cars, gift package. Cars and trucks and Christmas trees. Some nice large cut apart for like 6x6 albums. Perfect. Okay, so that's that paper pack. And then they had these. They had these on clearance, and honestly, when I looked last time, I didn't see if they had any more of them, but I got the Festive Poinsettia collection from Heartfelt Creations. And I will page through this for you. This is the first time I've ever gotten Heartfelt Creations anything. So I thought I would try their papers out, see if I liked them, and go from there. And these are double-sided, and you get 2 of each. So there's tons of tags, mini tags, and cut aparts in this paper. And then this is the opposite side. Really pretty green. And then on this side you have a gold color pattern and some 6x6 pages, and then cream, more 6x6. I love these poinsettias, they're so pretty. And then more cut aparts. A lot of fussy cutting you could do with this. And then the green. Hopefully my camera's not going out of focus. And then you have a huge page like this for cut aparts. And then the red. More poinsettias to cut out. And the plaid. I love that. That's really pretty. And this page here, this would make a really pretty layout page, and maybe I'll do that with this one. And then small poinsettias. Opposite side has this page for a beautiful layout. And then this page, another beautiful layout page. This one as well. Tons of cut aparts there. And then this page here has the poinsettias on top with like some lace and red. That's really pretty. And let's see. Oh, we have a few more. And then all these cut aparts. And then another like music page with the poinsettias on the side. I think I'm going to stick to a lot of layouts with this paper. It's really pretty. And then cut aparts here. So that's the Festive Poinsettia collection. And then I have one more Christmas, Home for the Holidays. And we'll just page through it like this. So you have some border pieces here and cut aparts. And then the snowman and trees on the opposite side. It's really pretty. Some more cut aparts. And snow red trucks. Those are pretty with the lights. Snowmen. Some more cut aparts. And a church with the red truck and some deer. That's really pretty. And more cut aparts. A nice plaid green. That could be a beautiful page for a layout, or you could fussy cut this and make this into a pocket scene for something, which I might do. And then this side has snowflakes coming down from the holly, or from the greens, I should say. And then more cut aparts. More fussy cutting little scenes out. That's really cute. And then trees on this side with blue. More cut aparts. And then this has just the green pattern. Nice big cut apart pages here. More green. 6x6 cutouts. Different shade of like a blue green. This is really pretty. Ooh, a lot of tags. Love it. And then that's the last page. And then I have one more left. I decided to get the rustic sunflower collection because I have all those new bee stamps and dies, and I got my sunflower die recently. So I thought this might make a cute little album. Oh, I missed a page here. There we go. So it has these nice cutouts. And then this is on the opposite side. And this page here. And this is on the opposite side. And I think I had pulled these out, so you may end up seeing those again. And these nice cut aparts. Yeah, this is the opposite side I had just shown you. Two of these. And on this page here, really pretty. More cutouts. The blue with mini sunflowers. And then that blue with that pattern. Gosh, their papers are so pretty. More cut aparts. I love the little ladybugs. Those are going to be quite hard to fussy cut, but I am going to try. And then this pattern. More cutouts. And then the yellow. More cutouts. And then we have green cutouts with blue cutouts with like a orange yellow paper. That's really pretty. Lots of tags again. And the last page. Oh, I love that blue. That is so pretty. And that's it, guys. That is my latest HSN haul. I'm gonna stop shopping, fingers crossed, and start crafting. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care and happy crafting.